It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2018 F-150 XLT in ingot silver. It has gray cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has a nice line box, as well as a power sliding rear window and twin panel moonroof, as well as a towing package. And if you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. Emergency speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with powered lumbar. The passenger seat has manual lumbar. Both front seats have heat, and it's located here. Carpeted mats on the floor. You have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, and there's a grab handle on the body, just making it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, we have our dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and hands-free dialing. And then when we start up the vehicle, we're going to see any important messages, the odometer reading, and the menu will come up as well. We'll just wait for that to come up. Here we go. Display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. You have an automatic select shifter, and drive mode is on the end, so when I press it, you'll see it appear. There's normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and then back around again. So if your road conditions are changing or your weather conditions are changing, and have more or less traction and control. Up top we have a little cubby, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. This is our main screen. If we go into audio, we can choose our sources: AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. And we can go into our settings as well, slide through. We've got Bluetooth there, 911 assist, Wi-Fi hotspot, your display screen. You can actually dim it out, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and many other features. Now, when we put the vehicle in reverse, this is where we're going to see our backup camera view. So there's a center line right off the back bumper, and we have green, yellow, red, just telling us how close we are to other objects or vehicles when going in reverse. So let's put us back into park. Volume and tuner, your CD player, your fan, front and rear defrost, AC and max AC, and that's your climate control. Down below, a couple of USB outlets plus your 12 volt, and you've got a little cubby. You've got your 4x4 with locking differential and your Pro Trailer backup. And then in the center here, you have a couple cup holders. You got a cubby in the armrest, and then just flip it up. It's another seating position. You have a seat belt. Unclip underneath, lots of room. You can flip those cup holders underneath if you want, out of the way. Off to the side is a 12 volt. You've got a locking glove compartment, grab handle in the body, and auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, that power sliding window in the rear, and you also have a twin panel moonroof. So I'm just going to open it up, and you're going to see how far it slides back. Now the back is fixed, and the front piece goes this far. You also have a screen which has independent buttons to make it go all the way open or all the way closed, and you can stop it at any point. And you have a grab handle in the body, and that just makes it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, black door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side fuel cap, and in the back you've got the black handle on the tailgate. Below it is where the backup camera is located. LED light is to the right, chrome bumper, and you have a 4 and 7 pin connector trailer hitch and a locking spare tire. When you want to open up that tailgate, you simply put your hand in the latch and bring it down. You have a spray and liner tie downs in all 4 corners, and then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows and grab handles in the body. There's seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. Simply lift the seat with one hand. It's in the upright position, giving you more room on the floor, and then pull the tab and we'll bring it right down. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, carpeted mats on the floor, and slim pockets on the back of the front seat. You have a 12 volt in the center and a couple of cup holders. Up top, twin panel moonroof, grab handle on the driver's side, lighting, as well as hooks, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Backup camera in the rear, 5.5-foot box that's lined, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors that are heated, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.